today I spoke with the class about employee well-being during turbulent times, and I think it's a very, very relevant topic that's important for these kids to know, because these kids are going to be the leaders of tomorrow. They're going to be shaping workplaces tomorrow, and they are going to enter during a world of AI. There's going to be constant transformation. There's going to be changing employee expectations, and these are the kids that are going to be shaping all of that, right? They'll be at the heart of all of that. So it's just as important to understand employees and understand people as much as it's important to understand finance or technology or strategy. My biggest message will be that well-being is not an HR program. Well-being is a leadership responsibility. Usually when things get tough, we ask people to be more resilient, but we don't ask ourselves, what are we doing to make the environment enable people to be more resilient in the first place? So I think, look, turbulence is inevitable, but how people experience that turbulence is a leadership choice. Next time we are leaders, let's ask the right question. Instead of asking, how can I make people perform better? Let's ask, what can I do to give people an environment where they can unleash their maximum potential and perform best?